Hi, my name is Paul, the Umbrella Man. Want to go ahead and show you. We have a 55-pound base that comes shipped to you like this in a box. What you do is you unpack the box. When we pack them, we double box them. So it is going to be stronger in shipping. So you do have to go ahead and unpack another box. When we ship it, it has two boxes. So we double box it in order for the FedEx. It comes with instructions on how to put it together. This is the stem. It has a little turn screw. It also comes with two pieces. This piece goes onto the base. This piece goes onto the stem. The stem gets screwed on to the umbrella base. And snug that up. It is completely assembled at that point. You can take the base and roll it into the position. And you tighten the screw. Make sure the screw is tight and it does not come out. This is a good product for under the table mounting.